Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you Robinhood Gold Credit Card review. So you might be wondering, what is the Robinhood Gold Credit Card here? Is it actually right for you? So what is the Robinhood Gold Credit Card first? So the Robinhood Gold Credit Card here is a cashback credit card from Robinhood. So it's exclusively for people who have a Robinhood Gold membership. Now you can't get the card without it. So it's issued by Coastal Community Bank under a Visa license and Robinhood Credit Inc. So is the company behind it, though they're technically a financial technology company, not a bank themselves. So here's the headline or the feature that you may be wondering what it actually offers. So you earn a 3% cash back on all your purchases, so across every category, so with no cap, which is awesome. Now that works out to earning 3 points for every dollar you spend on eligible purchases. And if you book travel through the Robinhood travel portal using the card, that bumps up to 5% cash back on those bookings. Now the card itself is made of stainless steel, and there's also a limited edition version, so you can work your way up around the referrals or points to unlock things like Rose Gold Card, or even Solid Gold Card made with real 10-karat gold. Though that one requires reserving with a large number of points and comes with a custom leather wallet. Now, as for other features here, the card comes with virtual card numbers so you can use for online shopping, which adds a layer of security, and it also gives you tools to manage subscriptions. Now you can cancel payments, auto end free trials, or set up one-time use cards. Now, on the family side here, you can add up to 5 family members as authorized users, regardless of age, and each of them gets their own card. Now, from the app, you can track everyone's spending, set individual spending limits, and lock a lost card instantly, just in case. Now, for how it actually works day to day here, you just need to manage everything through the Robinhood's banking app, or Robinhood's banking app here, which is separate from the main investing app here under the credit card tab. Now you'll find your reward section where you can view your current point balance and choose how to redeem them. That includes cashback, gift cards, travel bookings, or even like airport lunch passes for like 5,000 points. Now to actually use your cashback here, you'll need an individual Robinhood investing account, since that's where the rewards get redeemed to. So if you don't have one yet, the app will prompt you to open one before you can access the cashback feature. Now, on the pricing side here, the card itself has no annual fees, but it does require an active Robinhood Gold subscription, which costs around like $5 a month or a $50 a year fee. Now, that subscription is what unlocks your eligibility for the 3% earning rate in the first place. So without it, you can't get the card issued to you. Now, if you want to get started here, you just need to join the wait list here by providing your email on Robinhood's site. And once you are selected, you'll get a notification through the app. And from there, you can complete applications through the link provided by them. But that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and share button and watch our next video.